Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will study Bernoulli's equation and we will use the concept of linear differential equation. As we know, what is the linear differential equation and types of linear differential equation and the process to solve linear differential equation, and we will use the concept of linear differential equation to solve Bernoulli's equation. So in linear differential equation are mainly two types. One is this dy by dx plus py that equal to q, where p and q are function of x, and the second type dx by dy plus p1x that is equal to q1, where p1 and q1 these are function of y or constant. So here what is the process? We know first find out the p and q in both the steps, and second to find out the integrating factor, and next the third step to find out the solution as we discussed previously. Next, what is Bernoulli's equation and what is its general form? A equation is said to be Bernoulli's equation if it is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q into y to the power n. तामाने जदि गोटे इक्वेशन ए फॉर्मेट रे जदि थिबो तो ताहाको आमे कहिबा Bernoulli's equation. This is one special case of linear equation is a special case of Bernoulli equation. जदि y to the power 0 हुए, y रो power 0 हेले that value will be 1. So 80 n जगह रे जदि 0 हेले we will get a linear differential equation. So a type of differential equation, that means how in a Bernoulli's equation, and the second type is dx by dy plus px that is equal to q into x to the power n. So these are two Bernoulli's equation types. So how to solve this Bernoulli's equation using the concept of linear differential equation, we will discuss about that. So process to solve Bernoulli's equation. So first we will consider the general form of Bernoulli's equation, which is given as dy by dx plus py equal to q into y to the power n. So this is the general form of Bernoulli's equation. So we want to convert it as a linear differential equation, and after that we can solve using the method of linear differential equation. First, what we will do, we will divide y to the power n, which is the coefficient of q here, and where q is function of x here. Here q is a function of x. So the coefficient of q in terms of y to the power n, we will divide that term in both sides. So by dividing y to the power n both sides, we will get 1 by y to the power n dy by dx, and py divided by y to the power n, and 1 by y to the power n into q into y to the power n. So here in this term y to the power n is get cancelled with y to the power n in the denominator. Here by cancelling 1y in denominator, we will have y to the power n minus 1 in the denominator, and this step means this will remain the same. Now we will substitute. What we will substitute? We have to substitute 1 by y to the power n minus 1 equal to z. So differentiating both sides, what we will get with respect to x? What we will get? D divided by dx of 1 by y to the power n minus 1 that is equal to dz by dx. And as this is a variable of y, first we will differentiate with respect to y, and then derivative of y with respect to x, because y is also a function of x, that is equal to dz by dx. So the derivative of this 1 by y to the power n minus 1 is given by minus of n minus 1 into y to the power minus n minus 1 minus 1, because derivative of x to the power n, that is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. So when the n minus 1 will get means जेतेबेले a y to the power n minus 1 will goes to the numerator, then the power will be minus of n minus 1, and after that we are doing subtracting 1 from it, so minus 1, and in coefficient we were producing the power, so n, so here the power is minus of n minus 1, so we are producing that into dy by dx, that is equal to dz by dx. But here in this term we can see what is in our we require y by y to the power n dy by dx. That's why I will find the value of that. So here I am getting this much, and if I will find the value of 1 by y to the power n dy by dx, then I will get 1 divided by 1 minus n into dz by dx. Substituting the value of 1 by y to the power n dy by dx, that means this, and 1 by y to the power n minus 1. 1 by y to the power n minus 1 value is z. So substituting these two value, what we can have? We have 1 by y to the power n dy by dx plus p divided by y to the power n minus 1, that into q equal to given by 1 by 1 minus n dz by dx, by substituting the value of 1 by y to the power n dy by dx. Similarly, substituting 1 by y to the power n minus 1, that is equal to z, we will have this. So by taking common 1 by 1 minus n from these two terms, this equation is converted like this. After that, by producing the 1 minus n with q, we will have the equation of the form dz by dx into 1 minus n pz, that is equal to q into 1 minus n. So here now we can see this is a linear equation where this is the p part of coefficient of z, and here this is the q part, means the converted p part is this and the converted q part is this. So now using the linear differential equation concept, we can find the value of z, and after that we will substitute the value of z by y to the power n minus 1. So we will discuss one example. First, dy by dx plus y by x equal to xy square. So here it is in the form of Bernoulli's equation of degree 2, because here we have term y square. So in the power it have 2. So according to the first step, we will divide y square, that means coefficient of qx, that is equal to x ro coefficient ethi hochi y square. So seta ko divide kariba. By dividing both sides, what we are getting? 1 by y square dy by dx plus 1 by xy, that is equal to x. Now what I said, 1 by y to the power 1 by n minus 1, that is equal to, I substitute kon koruthule, substitute koruthule 1 by y to the power n minus 1, that is equal to z. So it n jagare ki achi 2, so 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So 1 by y equal to z. So यार डेरिवेटिव जदि बाहर करिबा 1 by y रो डेरिवेटिव होची minus 1 by y square dy by dx, जार वैल्यू का से तो समान होगा dz by dx, but we require the value of 1 by y square dy by dx. So सेटार वैल्यू मु बाहर कली, which is equal to minus dz by dx. So वर्तमान अब सेकंड स्टेप रे हम कोन करथिले 1 by y square dy by dx आउ z रो वैल्यू बा 1 by y रो वैल्यू को सब्स्टिट्यूट करूथिले ए इक्वेशन रे. सो सेटा को सब्स्टिट्यूट करबा तो मोर रेड्यूस्ड इक्वेशन कोन हे जिवो 1 by y square dy by dx जगह रे minus dz by dx. सो एठी लिखली 1 by y रो वैल्यू कोन अछि z. सो एटा कोन हे जिवो z by x, that is equal to x. So here you can see by taking minus common, what we can, the converted equation will be dz by dx minus z by x, that is equal to minus x. This is the converted equation where the coefficient of, means the converted p is minus 1 by x and converted q equal to minus x. These are the p1 and q1. So this is in the form of linear differential equation. So integrating factor equal to e to the power integration p dx, and that is equal to this. So integration of minus 1 by x equal to minus log x, and this is equal to 1 by x. So we know after that how to find out the solution. Solution is given by y, or here z, into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. So z into integrating factor, that is equal to 1 by x, equal to integrating factor, that is equal to 1 by x, and q equal to minus x dx plus c. So we, by integrating here, x and x are getting cancelled, so integration of minus 1, that is equal to minus x plus c, and z by x equal to c minus x. So substituting what, z equal to 1 by y, so 1 by xy, that is equal to c minus x. So what we are getting, xy equal to 1 by c minus x, and the value of y equal to 1 by x into c minus x. So basically what we are doing in Bernoulli's equation, I am repeat again, Bernoulli's equation ra general form अछि जहा dy by dx plus dy, that is equal to q into y to the power n. एठी जो y रो पावर n मल्टीप्लाई हे के थिबो q सहित सेटा को फर्स्ट डिवाइड करबा में बोथ साइड डिवाइड कला परे t सह जहा रहिला डिनोमिनेटर रे सेटा को हमें कोन नै जिबा z कंसीडर करबा. आफ्टर दैट we will find differentiating with respect to x, बा जहा सेट तमरो इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल थिबो ताको धरि की डिफरेंशिएशन करबा. After differentiating, we have to find the value of this term where derivative is involved. So से term रो value बाहर कला परे आमे सेठी कोन करबा 1 by y to the power n dy by dx आउ 1 by y to the power n minus 1 ए दिटा रो value को इक्वेशन 1 रे बा ए इक्वेशन रे आमे सब्स्टिट्यूट करबा. So substitute कला पर जो इक्वेशन आसीबो सेटा ओडे reduced linear differential equation फॉर्म रे आसीबो, जोटा की ए टाइप किछि फॉर्मेट रे थिबो. सो सेटा को हम जदी सॉल्व करबा, we can have the solution of the Bernoulli's equation. Thank you.